Hello, my name is Jay and welcome back to my Tech Vault. Today we're going to be taking a look at the ASRock x570 Steel Legend Motherboard with support for PCIe Gen 4. So we're going to do a lovely unboxing of this. This is part of a PC build that we're doing. It's actually being live streamed currently, and it is a PC build with a nice fancy RTX 2070. We've got the Ryzen 3900X here, and so we've got a lot of fancy hardware for this PC build. So I definitely recommend, if you haven't watched it, there'll be a video coming out soon, and of course if you missed the live stream, you probably should turn on notifications. So let's get into the unboxing. So, unboxing time! Let's get into what's inside of the motherboard. I totally didn't do this once because, you know, we had some loud noises. Okay, so here we are. Here's the motherboard. Oh, the sound of the goodness. You can see it on the stream too. But the sound of the wonderful goodness. And we've got some crumpled up papers in the back. But here is the motherboard itself. That's kind of fancy, not gonna lie. Now we've got some miscellaneous cables, screws, and more screws, and I would assume drivers, etc. Who even has CD discs anymore? Like, seriously? So, here's the box itself. That we'll throw down here real quick. Let's take a look at I swear, guys, if you do something inappropriate, I'm going to not go.
No, I didn't want to talk.
Okay. Well, I am recording, but oh well. So here we got the nice fancy motherboard. We've got, of course, the nice fancy steel armor, which is actually surprisingly metal, not plastic. Good for you. Then let's see what else. We have a heatsink fan, so it has to have its own special fan. We didn't get out of that for this price range. As you can see, we've got, as I said, the armor itself. It's actually secured pretty well. It's got an attached heat shield, so that's actually nice. They included that kind of attached already. It's got a nice fancy print on it. We've got ourselves 8 SATA ports, I believe 2 M.2 slots, a fan itself, which actually will probably do a good job of cooling. And I think you have how many phases of VRMs? You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So those are chokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2 by 8 phase VRMs. And then, yeah, so pretty good. We got a steel slot. Well, that's just surprisingly well done. Okay, so let's get into just taking the motherboard out. Oh no, I cut something it shouldn't have. He's sitting over here. I'm building this for somebody, and he's sitting over here watching me. So if I mess up, I'm kind of screwed. Yeah, that's CPU. Just drop the CPU. Oh well. So that looks pretty good quality there as well. Just take a look.
Oh, that's hot.
Yep. So there you go. There's the motherboard. You got an attached I/O shield, which is actually screwed on. So onto the back. So the I/O shield screwed onto the back. Interesting. Heatsink design is also interesting. But yeah, that's the whole motherboard itself. Put that back over there. So less to worry about. And then we've got ourselves some SATA cables. It looks like we've got a standoff for the M.2 drives. See, the big question is, though, do we have a sticker? Because I want a sticker. And I want a oh, yep, you got a sticker. So you're good. So, that is the unboxing of the ASRock x570 Steel Legend Motherboard. If you're interested in purchasing this, I have a link in the description. If you want to check out the stream, I'll also be putting that in the description as well as the final video whenever that does end up getting put out. But thank you guys very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Hope you know everything that's inside of it. As always, thank you guys very much for watching. Goodbye.